Okay, this is all wrapped up. As you can see, logs have been obviously replaced, and now we're done with chinking and staining and matching up to the existing logs. Probably a little difficult to see in the light here with the sun being what it is, but on this side you'll be able to see the color match a little bit better. Got a little sort of doctoring on the stain just to hide from the existing logs. And the new logs give them that same sort of color. It's a little bit of a aesthetic quality that we can play with stains and then finish up with a finish coat and chinking. But the repair is now complete. And it's almost like you can't even tell what we've done. This was completely gone, all because of a bad downspout. You know, that just got away on them. So, all done.